Greetings everyone. Today, I am going to present to you a video tutorial about a topic in fluid mechanics in chapter 8. So here's the given problem. On a 2.7 meters out of every 5.3 kilometers slope, a circular 2.30 meters diameter concrete sewer with a partially flow is installed. Determine the discharge when n is equal to 0.015. So in this given problem, we are tasked to find the discharge given that we have already a diameter of 2.30 meters and a slope of 2.7 meters out of every 5.3 kilometers, and our n is 0.015. So in this given problem, we come up a formula, the equation of Manning formula, which is Q is equal to A is our area times 1 over N is the roughness coefficient times R 2/3, our R is the hydraulic radius multiplied by the slope to the power of 1/2. So in this given equation, A, N, and S here were already constant. So our diameter is 2.30 meters. Our radius is 1.15 meters. So since this is a semicircular section, our radius is R is equal to R over 2. So using this equation, plug in all the values for this equation and it goes like this. Q is equal to 1/2 pi times 1.15 meters squared is our area. Our 1 over n is 1 over 0.015 times our radius, which is 1.15 meters over 2 to the power of 2/3, times our slope, which is 2.7 over 5.3 kilometers, and if we're going to convert this into meters, it goes like this, which is 5,300 to the power of 1/2. So to solve this using the calculator, we could solve the discharge of this given problem, which is 2.16 cubic meter per second. So this is the discharge of this given problem. Thank you.